But doorbell cameras can also capture other weird and crazy moments happening by your front door. In today's video we will take a look at the 20 craziest things caught on doorbell camera. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. This man is probably the worst delivery driver ever. This is why you should clean the snow off your roof.
I almost died!
If she left the house only a couple of seconds earlier, she would have been a snowman.
Can't feel my legs! Those are my legs. Oh, hey, do me a favor, grab my butt. Oh, that feels better.
Jokes aside, I'm glad it didn't fall on top of her. Some people are just too dedicated. And when this giant bear was standing in the way of the house, it didn't stop this Amazon driver from making his delivery.
Stop right now. There's a bear right there. There is a bear right there. That's a bear. Back away. Go back to your car. That's fine.
This boy's reaction to the first snow will melt your heart.
No way. It's snowing. It's finally snowing. Let's go! It's finally snowing. Yes!
When being thick on a doorbell camera goes wrong.
That's every side of it. Period. Why would you grab me though?
This guy was relieved when finally being able to let it all out after a long day with his new girlfriend. Christmas came early for these kids, as their gift from mom was found. The box was too heavy for her to lift to move from the porch, so thinking quickly, she threw a sheet over it and hoped for the best. Holiday season is especially busy for delivery drivers, so this homeowner wanted to express her appreciation for their hard work by leaving a basket of snacks outside. And this is the delivery driver's reaction.
They be leaving snacks. Hey, 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 hey. They leaving snacks and everything. Hey, 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 hey. I'm about to give me snacks and everything. Ooh, and they got the Capri Sun. Hey, 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 hey.
Here's another homeowner who wanted to show his mail carrier a little appreciation by giving her a special gift, and the woman burst into tears.
Thank you. Thank you for everything you have done for everyone. Look at me crying.
sometimes it's the small things that go a long way. Doorbell cameras, the camera that more and more people are setting up at their front door, are well known for capturing funny, weird and crazy moments. It's a small camera that is designed for use on an exterior door that includes or connects to a doorbell, and that often has a built-in microphone and speaker. This way, the owners of the house can hear, speak, watch live, and even play back what has happened by their door. Here are 40 weird things caught on doorbell cameras. But before we check out these crazy moments, make sure to subscribe to Novella with notifications. This driver was certainly not paying attention and paid the price. These terrifying pit bulls charge towards a mom and her 2 kids, and the mother saves her daughters from getting mauled by them. This driver had a fairly good reason for speeding. She really needed to get home as quickly as possible to pee. But the police officer did not accept the excuse and arrested her.
Oh, I'm about to pee on myself. Please, come on, please. Oh, now y'all want to lock both doors.
Tell the lady that was driving the white Honda she might want to come out and talk to me before I tow her car.
Sorry, I had to
No, there ain't no sorry.
You can tell her I had to pee. So I'm sorry, but I had to pee. What did I do wrong?
Well, let's see. You were doing well over 50 down Live Oak. You were speeding through the
Why are you
neighborhood.
yelling at me? I had to pee. That's why I said wait 5
So
seconds.
close the public safety and jump because you have to pee.
Okay, but you see, I just said wait 5 seconds, right? Okay, you didn't have to be an asshole about it. You gonna write me a ticket after you can't tow myself. Okay. You having a bad day though? What? Yeah, you can have I got all that shit. I have no problem.
Huh?
But I had to pee.
I guess she had to use the bathroom. She was running and she stopped, so I guess he's trying to say she was trying to run from him.
It's a wonder this person passed the practical driving test, because her parking skills are very questionable. The suspect, accused of mowing down a crowd at a Christmas parade in suburban Milwaukee, was captured on a Ring doorbell camera immediately before his arrest.
I called an Uber and I'm supposed to be waiting for it over here, but I don't know when it's coming. Can you call it for me, please? I'm homeless. My ID. My ID.
Hey, do you know this guy? Absolutely not. Okay.
This bear was on a mission to find a midnight snack. It was his lucky night as the house owners left a backpack on the deck full of delicious treats. This woman totally loses her mind outside a random house.
You motherfucker! Help! 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 Please, I'm having a heart attack! Please! I'm gonna fall out! Help! Help! Help!
What would you do if you saw this big boy on your porch? The gigantic visitor just sat down for a couple of minutes and seemed to be very curious about how humans live.